Ang laki ng impact sa akin ng MX3 that I even decided to volunteer to its programs.
Hi! Ako si Angeline Bautista, teacher, volunteer, and a proud MX3 believer diri sa Davao City. Good morning, students!
Good morning, ma'am!
Because of Values Formation and Not Alone programs, nakilala ko ang aking partner as a teacher and as a believer of Christ, ang MX3.
Challenging siya because you need to manage your time effectively. Pero kinakaya ko naman dahil mas pinalakas ko pa ang aking katawan at itinuloy ang pag-inom ng MX3 capsule na may alpha, beta at gamma nutrients. Natutuwa talaga ako every time nakaka-receive ako ng supply ng MX3 kasi believe ako dito. Kaya every weekend, I can still extend my service to the community. Ang pagod, baliwala yan because I am doing this for the glory of God. Lalo na at kasama ko lagi ang MX3 capsule.
Gumagaan palagi ang mga gawain at may energy pa rin ako to keep up.
Ang laki ng tulong sa akin ng MX3 capsule and spreading the word is my way to give back to them dahil sila ang naging daan para mas lumalim pa ang aking pananampalataya sa Diyos.
Bye! MX3 helped me find my strength centered in God.